Alright, what is going on everybody? It is Tristan here, and today you may hear my voice. I am actually a little bit sick right now when making this video, but we still got a productive day ahead of us. I'm actually going to be discussing some dunk lows which are dropping in women's sizing up to 12W, and these are very nice, very clean pair in my opinion, and I feel like these will do much better around the time they drop, and definitely will build a little bit of hype just based off their colorway, their style. They're a little bit different, really nice overall, and I think again, heading into the months we're heading into, this will be again a good pair to kind of look into a little bit. So if you want more content like this, subscribe and like down below. Check out my cook group. Again, we'll be announcing the 1K giveaway very soon, since I'm sure by the time this video is out, we'll be right at 1K followers on Instagram. We're very close to it. So thank you all for the support you've been showing there. Again, we dropped a little free trial link for a little bit yesterday. If you got in, you got in. If you didn't, you didn't. But hey, if you're there, checking out the group, let us know what you think. We're adding a lot of stuff every day, keeping it, kind of fresh, a good quality group. One that'll have new things and make sure it'll have the correct information on time, all that kind of stuff for you guys. Daily steals, again, we dropped all those pairs right there. I dropped under market yesterday. So that's everything that needs to be said. I hope you guys will enjoy, and let's get into this video. That's it. Let's get started on discussing this dunk low right here. So what the name of this dunk low is originally I thought it was called the Patent Orange dunk low, but the name of this dunk low is the Patent Halloween dunk low. So you guys can see kind of the style of dunk low we got going on right here is a complete patent theme all the way around it, kind of that patent leather material, the exact same that was on the patent bread ones that did drop. You remember those Jordan ones? It's the exact same material, except you got some different colorways going on, and you can see you got the white, black, and orange, which I think all together fits very well. I think those are three colors that are a great selection to kind of put together on the sneaker, and overall I could see this one doing better just because of that. You can see there's the orange kind of sole right there, and of course the white toe box with the orange sole kind of surrounding it. And one sneaker that this does remind me of is the Starfish lows a little bit, and you may see that, but it's mainly comparison in terms of colorway, not style of sneaker, because the sneakers were different materials, and obviously one was a Jordan 1 low, one is a dunk low, so you could say they're both lows, and that's why we're looking at this one right now as a potential hold for the future. And right now on StockX, this sneaker is between $130 and $150, so it's not going for a lot, and the US release is still due, and understanding that these are the patent Halloweens, they'll probably drop sometime in October. So I mainly wanted to make this video to point the sneaker out to you guys and just say, hey, we potentially have a good hold coming in the future, a wearable dunk low, supposedly a Halloween theme. I mean, the name is Patent Halloween, and it, you can see it looks pretty, wearable. That's something we could say. It's a wearable colorway, which is one major factor nowadays for a lot of sneakers that end up being good holds, is how wearable are they? Would the average person rock this sneaker? And honestly, looking at this one, I would say we could have a lot of people rock on this one because, the patent material wouldn't be that hard to clean, and also keep in mind that it's a dunk low. Dunk lows are in right now. They're very hyped, and I mean, in women's sizing only, the ladies are going to be going crazy for these, potentially. But of course, as I always say, if you're looking at this sneaker as a hold, or maybe you're interested in buying pairs, again, biggest sizes I would target. I would probably wait a little bit, again, since we still have that US release, so maybe it'll build more hype near the release, and it could be a bit higher then, but I don't think it'll rise much into that release. I don't think, if it does, it'll be like $10, $20 max, and then you could still look into it after the release where it will drop some again, because again, people are getting pairs in, that's how it works. And there's the insole, of course. You can see kind of the white Nike swoosh right there, all that. So that's just very basic, simple dunk low stuff. And then you got, of course, the black patent swoosh on kind of the white and orange material, which again, I think all looks very, very nice. It's a well done dunk low. It's wearable. It's a winter or summer colorway. Those are things we can point out again. So it's something that could grab your attention any time of the year. And let me again show you that pricing, how it's been performing recently. What I paid on these pairs, I paid $150 on them. One I paid $153, one I paid $151. So if you're wondering what prices, I got a size 10.5 women's and a size 10 women's. So those are the two sizes that I got right now. I'm working on getting more right now, and I'm probably going to do that today, and those will probably be focused on getting bigger sizes like 11W, 12W, things like that. Ones that my guys will also be wearing in the future, because 11W and 12W are more popular size conversions, if you understand what I'm saying, because 11W is 9.5 men's, 11.5 is 10, 12W is 10.5 men's. So you see what I'm saying? Like, more guys start wearing the sneakers, since those are more like average men's sneaker sizes, 9 through 10. So when you start getting into those ranges where women's sizes convert over to those, they become really good holds for the future. And there's not a lot of patent dunk lows in the market that are cheap. There's not many at all, really. I haven't seen many being made recently at all. I've seen a lot of regular material ones, medium olives, racer blues, things like that. I haven't seen many ones kind of like this. So it's unique. kind of stands out a little bit, and I see a lot of potential on this one in the future. So 10.5W plus, those will be the sizes you would probably want to target, maybe even 10W plus. Those will probably, 10W and 10.5W will probably have a bit of a price separation, with 10.5W going for more. That's my guess after the US release. But again, just keep your eyes on this one, keep it on the radar, look into it, maybe get a couple pairs now and a couple pairs after the US one. That's kind of what I'm planning to do, just buy up some now and then wait on what we got coming up in the future. But really low on the market right now, between 130 and 150. So is it a deal? Yeah, you got deals right now on this. And you can see again, as I mentioned, with some of the sizes and pricing on them, if you go look at the bigger ones, 10W plus, once you start getting into again sizes that guys, my men would wear more frequently here, pretty much above 7.5W. Once you get above that, you start getting to 140 plus, and then once you get even bigger sizes, you start getting 145, 150, 160. So take that into account on what sizes you should target right now. Again, we have a lot of time until this one still does drop in the US. Market's holding somewhat steady. There is clearly demand though, because you can see it's not too bad at the moment. You can see there's the chart what these used to go for. So you can see these have demand. People are willing to pay a little bit of a higher price on them, and already, if you can see that stat maybe on the bottom right there, already 650 sales in StockX before the US drop. So people clearly want these. There's definitely a market for them, and I just wanted to let you guys know about these a little bit early. So if you're interested in the patent Halloweens, keep your eyes on them. And yeah, that's pretty much what I would say. So lots of places you can target and kind of find these around. I would say it'll be a little bit harder to find pairs right now, but if you have to go to apps, it's not the end of the world. Just know that I feel like these will rise in the future, and I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an early pair review, I guess you could say. I mean, it has dropped over in Japan, so that is the main reason and how I got this pair, is because there has been a Nike release overseas. But yeah, that's all I need to say. If you want more content like this, again, feel free to subscribe and like down below for more content like this, and check out my code group, give that a follow. We're having a giveaway coming soon for our members for 1K. Since we hit 1K, I'm gonna do something nice for all the people in our CG and all that. So that's everything that needs to be mentioned. And I'm Tristan. Thank you guys, and I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I've repeated some of the same words, and you can tell this intro is kind of messy. I'm sick and all that. My mind's all in a jumble right now. I got a lot of stuff I got to do. I got to eat breakfast, stuff like that. So yeah, like goal is 250. I already said subscribe, I like all that down below, and check everything there. So I'm Tristan. Thank you guys, and hopefully I will catch you all in the next video. Peace.